doing it for free. I am here because I do believe that the greatness of this country lies in its diversity, in its descent, in its capacity for democracy, for secularism, for peace. And that greatness is itself under threat right now. So actually I'm here because I want us to reclaim that greatness. I think this is certainly one of the steps. I mean, once there is awareness, I think several initiatives will come out. So this certainly is a wonderful start, and I'm really heartened to see the number of people who are here.
चंद लोगों की खुशियों को लेकर चले,
वो जो साए में हर मसलहत के पले,
दस्तूर को
सुबह बेनूर को,
सुबह बेनूर को
मैं नहीं मानता, मैं नहीं जानता.
We're holding a funeral procession for this Book of Rights, and we also have banners saying, "Is this the future that we want?" So we're saying that while we still have a chance to uphold our rights, we want to do something about it. And this is just showing everyone the visual of a future that we do not want, and we have to fight to stop from happening. We want a future where the values of the Constitution are upheld across the board in all the situations.
I'm here because I am an artist, and we're here to talk about freedom of speech. For artists to be allowed to perform, to be allowed to express their thoughts. Everything can achieve something. I think that as citizens we are responsible for our own rights. Talk about them, ask for what we need. Yeah, I do believe that sometimes small gestures can make a very, very big wave.
बैंड बजाने.
बैंड बजाने.
हाँ, हम लोग यहाँ बैंड बजाना.
किसकी?
मतलब ढोल बजाने. जो हम लोग डब्बा बिब्बा रहता उसको फेंक देते, वो हम लोग उसको लाके इसको यूज करते, इसको बजाते. जैसे ये बहुत क्या है? ये पूरी जगह. ये रिसाइकल से निकलने वाली चीज का आवाज है.
How can why be a question? Why not is the question. Every artist, every progressive citizen should be here. And I think I am. So that's why I am here. At least people will understand that most of the time artists who choose to just keep quiet are also, when required, they stand up. If that is seen and understood, I think a lot will be achieved.
जो ट्रोलर्स हैं वो इस चीज़ को देख के अवेयर हों, मतलब ये ट्रोल ना करें लोगों को।
जिनको पैसे देके ज़बरदस्ती ट्रोल कराया जाता है वो ना करें, कुछ ना करें, प्रेम फैलाएं।
जो ट्रोल कर रहे हैं वो प्यार बांटें। अब आज से हम लोगों ने जो नेगेटिविटी इस वक्त देश में हमारे फैली हुई है वो पॉजिटिव हो जाए। जैसे ये माहौल है, अभी सब सारे आर्टिस्ट आए हुए हैं, राइटर्स आए हुए हैं और सारे एक्टर्स हैं। तो ये जो पॉजिटिविटी इस वक्त मुझे लग रहा है कि जैसे मैं गोवा में हूँ इस वक्त, तो पूरा देश ऐसे ही खुश रहे, सब प्यार से रहें। बस ये हमारा एक वो है संदेश। लोग समझ नहीं रहे, बहुत बुरी तरीके से अटके हुए हैं अपनी चीज़ों को लेके। और जो सच तो ये है कि प्यार बहुत ज़रूरी है, बस वो बांटे।
आगे जाओ, आगे जाओ।
We are just trying to talk about love, because end of the day it's only love that can heal anything in the world. So we are creating a dream, we are dreamy creatures, we bring you a dream that love is possible, and that's the only way. Any form of discrimination, be it gender, be it sexuality, be it religion especially, be it culture, there are too many divisive policies at place. I mean, the idea is we are human, end of the day. Whatever we learned is socialized and encultured. So love is one thing that brings us together, and that's why we feel. This has been told time and again, but we are doing the same again because I think somewhere it's lost.
My colleagues are here, the artists are here of various disciplines, and here to pledge my sort of support and be part of it.
Oh man, there are hundreds of people here. My God, I mean, I am personally speaking of hope. I didn't expect this to happen. There must be like thousands of people, Monica. Even Monica is here. Now I think things can change.
We should have freedom to express, and our speeches, our actions should not be curtailed. You know, we are in a democracy, and we seem to be threatened, and that is affecting creativity. At the same time, it's affecting the nation too. People are sort of sometimes have to look over their shoulders to say, like, if we do this, are we going to get into trouble? If like I'm performing tomorrow in Delhi at the Red Fort, and I have a piece, and it's called Liminal, but it's basically all about aggression and sort of suppression. But I was told that let's not put that title, just let Liminal and let the dance speak for itself.
Revolution! 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 Abki baar! Pyar! 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 Abki baar! Abki baar! Pyar! Pyar!
Our country is going through a very difficult time, and I feel that if we don't come forward and show our solidarity with the survivors of violence, then it's a lost cause. What really troubles me is the issues with minorities. Of course, there are the larger issues that have always been there, like unemployment and, violence. But this violence against minorities it moves me, because that is like attacking the soul of India. For victims who feel like they're alone, just to see a group of people, out there walking on the road, acknowledging their hurts, I think psychologically that kind of makes them feel slightly better.
Brahminical patriarchy! Down, down! Casteism! Down, down! Casteism! Down, down! Homophobia! Down, down! Homophobia! Down, down!
We are doing these whole poem recitation things. So we start with Bol ke lab azad hai tere. At least in this community, at least 1,000 people, at least there, and the bypassers, whoever gets whatever they can. Also because we are creating history and it's good to be in the right kind of history. History in the sense अभी जो future में होने वाला है, सही future create करने की हम लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पर.
सबसे खतरनाक होता है हमारे सपनों का मर जाना. सबसे खतरनाक वो घड़ी होती है आपकी कलाई पर चलती हुई आपकी नजर में रुकी हुई होती है. सबसे खतरनाक वो आँख है जो सब कुछ देखती हुई बर्फ की तरह जमी होती है. जिसकी नजर दुनिया को मोहब्बत से चूमना भूल जाती है. जो चीजों से उठती अंधेपन की भाप पर ढुलक जाती है. जो रोजमर्रा के क्रम को जीती हुई एक लक्ष्यहीन दोहराव के उलट फेर में खो जाती है.
No, it will hit you, that's why.
We believe in the cause. Peace at any cost. Peace.
We believe in our dream, a beautiful India, with love, peace and harmony. There's a lot of chaos going on. We are not listening to each other and we are just, going into a direction where we're constantly feeling hopeless. So you have to have better communication with each other. So art can actually communicate much better than sometimes the words we are trying to say.
चलेंगे साथ साथ हम चलेंगे साथ साथ हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन. ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
I feel that number one, in our own hearts, we should keep two things alive: hope and courage. It's important. One without the other is of no use. So I feel it's important that we keep the courage that if we actually protest, if we actually take a stand and make our voices heard, there is hope that things can change. That we should never allow to die down. So every citizen in this country should actually become a questioner. And I think that's what we have been lacking all this while. We've merely been swallowing all this while. Now is the time to question. Just question. That I feel if that spread, no one can be authoritarian over us. Nobody can dictate to us anything. No one can take our freedom away. And I feel such things are important because these movements will spread that feeling around.
Love you should. Love you should. Love you should. Love you should.
And to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do we hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
So the front are my preamble people. They're reciting the preamble by rote. So it's like without thinking, they're just reciting it and marching. And this is the death of all what we stand for. The freedom of speech, the freedom of justice, the freedom of belief, the freedom of peace and harmony. There's a dead tree with dead leaves. We hope it revives.
झाड़ को मार रहे साले लोग।
पैरों से उजाला आ रहा है, तब पैरों से उजाला आ रहा है, फिर कदमों को कंगाला छा रहा है, कुंद से तेरा निकलता दिख रहा है, कुंद से चेहरा निकलता दिख रहा है, कौन चिट्ठियों पर सवेरा लिख रहा है, कौन चिट्ठियों पर सवेरा लिख रहा है, दृष्टि में है रोशनी की एक छलनी, कपड़े रंगत से कुछ ना होते हैं, कपड़े रंगत से कुछ ना होते हैं,
फूल शाखों पे खिलने लगे तुम कहो, फूल शाखों पे खिलने लगे तुम कहो।
found out that this is some artists for artists or whatever, artists for peace. Yeah, to me it's very humanistic. I'm not humanistic. And well, they're a very creative bunch.
I would support anything which believes in equality, faith, religion, you know, acceptance of all people, tolerance, irrespective of who they are, what sex, what their preferences are. I support everything that's the underprivileged, the undermined. I think all those that preach the kind of religion that are being preached today are not my kind of thing.
जो सच बोलेंगे, मारे जाएंगे। सबसे बड़ा अपराध है इस समय, निहत्थे और निरपराधी होना। जो अपराधी नहीं होंगे, मारे जाएंगे। जो इस पागलपन में शामिल नहीं होंगे, मारे जाएंगे। कटघरे में खड़े कर दिए जाएंगे। जो विरोध में बोलेंगे, जो सच बोलेंगे, मारे जाएंगे।
या में फूल पड़े गल जाए, या में फूल पड़े गल जाए, केसरियो रंग उड़ जायो, गुलाबियो रंग उड़ जायो। सब में मत कर माने गुमान, हे मत कर माने गुमान, हे मत कर माया कभिमान, केसरियो रंग उड़ जायो, गुलाबियो रंग उड़ जायो।
I'm an artist and just want to express myself, that's why I'm here. Express my feelings, express my concerns about the world and express how the world is going to look like for me in 2020. That's what the 2020 parade is for.
Let me be free to see.
Let me be free to see
The colors which appeal to me.
colors which appeal to me.
Let me be free to decide.
Let me be free to decide
What is wrong and right.
what is wrong and right.
Let me be free.
Let me be free.
Let me be me.
Let me be me. आईना भी है।
जरूर वो मेरे बारे में राय दे लेकिन
जरूर वो मेरे बारे में राय दे लेकिन ये पूछ लेना कभी वो मुझसे मिला भी है।
झेले ललाट वल्लावली वल्लावली तिनरंगी तिनरंगी नवांगी नवांगी बोले कसा वल्लावली वल्लावली वल्लावली
रोके जो पर्वत भी हमें कब रोक पाएंगे। हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल हल्ला बोल। कौन है हम क्या है दुनिया को दिखाएंगे। रोके जो पर्वत भी हमें कब रोक पाएंगे। कुछ खट्टी कुछ मीठी ये बातें हैं सच्ची। ना धरेगी ना धरेगी ये बात है पक्की। चले चलो चले चलो चले चलो चले चलो सब साथ मिलके अब ये कह चलो। चले चलो चले चलो चले चलो चले चलो।
मुंबई जाग गई है। जो कलाकार चार दीवारों में, थिएटरों में, स्क्रीन पे थे, किताब में थे, लिखते थे, आज वो कलाकार सब लोग रास्ते पे आए हैं और अपनी आवाज रख रहे हैं। तो सबको बिल्कुल सलाम, जिंदाबाद। तो साथियों, अभी एक थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम, एक फॉर्मल प्रोग्राम जो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है वो बचा है। हम यहाँ हिंदी, अंग्रेजी और मराठी में हमारा क्या भविष्य हम चाहते हैं, सोचते हैं, इसके बारे में शपथ लेंगे।
आत्ताच आपण आपल्या चांगल्या भविष्यासाठी वाटचाल करून आलोय सगळे कलाकार मिळून। तर चला आपण सगळे मिळून एक शपथ घेऊ। तुम्ही माझ्या मागून म्हणाल ना? थँक्यू। आम्ही सर्व आज इथे आपले विश्व आणि त्याचे भविष्य यासाठी संघटित होऊन शपथ घेत आहोत।
जब हम पूछें हम कैसा भविष्य चाहते हैं, हमारा जवाब है कि हम मांगे और साथ बनाएं ऐसा भविष्य जो जंग और नफरत से मुक्त हो। ऐसा भविष्य जहां लोकतंत्र गिनती का खेल ना हो, पर एक भागीदारी की प्रक्रिया हो।
First and above all, for those on the margins and in the minority, a future that remembers the hate crimes and mob lynchings of the recent past, and condemn those that dare to repeat them. A future whose crimes are not justified by the past. A future that is not a prison of the past. A future where we speak truth to power without fear or self-censorship. A future where we self-determine who we are. And not be determined by who we were born as. A future that holds individual privacy as a basic right. Where our human exchanges are not bought and sold as data. A future where the nation and its borders cannot be the limit of human solidarity and living together. A future where there is space and time to imagine and to create, not just react to the present. A future that is equal, just and free. We promise not to leave the future in the hands of those who are constrained by narrow imaginations. We take a pledge that we dedicate ourselves towards building this future. Together, we will be the future we want to see. Zindabad.
So we gathered here at Mahim Beach earlier this evening and walked for 5 kilometers from Mahim Beach to Carter Road. It was called 2020, a walk for the future. Bhavishya Kare Vatsal. It was about 1,800 artists, visual artists, musicians, dancers, live art and theatre makers. We came together as a group a year and a half ago. We call ourselves 2020 Group. We are an anonymous but rather large collective and body of individuals and groups in Bombay. The reason we came together is we believe in a city like Bombay where it's always a struggle to be an artist, whether you're in the film world, the theatre world or the visual arts, that we can dream of another kind of art, and art itself dreams other kinds of dreams. For us, art cannot be a majoritarian project. It cannot be interior decorator for someone's home, and it cannot be linked to profiteering. We have to dream other dreams, and we have to have other alternatives, especially in a city like Bombay. But importantly, we came together as Group 2020, which means we don't want to react to the past. We believe art has a role to craft, evoke, dream, imagine, and make a future. And that's really the glue that binds us together. The group was formed late 2017. We wanted to have a different result in the 2019 elections, but we wanted to look beyond that, hence 2020. And 2020 also is about vision and utopia, and that's where we get our name, our strength, and our drive from. One of the things that binds the group together is our collective spirit and our anonymity. So please, you can edit this out, but do not refer to any individual's names, at least when you represent the group. We came together to walk for the future on a nationwide day of solidarity. This is a day called by Artists Unite, a group that's doing synchronized events in many cities. But here in Bombay, like I said, we really wanted to walk for the future. To begin and to sort of amp up
the campaign on the 26th of January. Group 2020 started something called Posters Unite. And every night at 8 p.m. there's a new poster that is released online. It's a copyleft poster, which means you can download it. It's a high-resolution poster and you can do what you want with it. Importantly, again, in keeping with the ethos of the group, well-known artists, leading artists, emerging artists are all contributing to those posters, but they go without a name and they go up collectively. So this is the 39th poster that's releasing tonight. And we were here yesterday, we will be here tomorrow. Apna Karwa Chalu Hai, Zindabad. We're walking for a future. If you heard our manifesto, you know it's against hate. And it's against many other things. It's not just hate. But of course, the climate of hate and the intolerance around us has reached its zenith. It reached its zenith. It's had its curves over the last 4 years. And right now, it's at its height. So of course we're marching against hate. Of course we're dancing for a better future. But like I said, we dream many more dreams for a future. It's not just a minimum agenda. To not hate, you need a better future. And there are many things we have to do to evoke and hasil karo that future.